are back by popular demand. Oh no, it's hard. Oh no. If I had water, is that gonna be fine? Oh no, I fucked up. But it's literally like rock solid. And let it dry. For some reason, I didn't think it would need to. Dumbass. I've done a fuck up. Bear with me, I'm gonna add a bit of water. Definitely messed up. There's no way that I'm getting that close to soft. What am I gonna do instead? I can make Play-Doh. What am I gonna do instead? What am I gonna make? I'm in the mood now to do something. I guess I could do like I think we're gonna, just looked up recipes. I think I'm gonna make some Play-Doh and then try and cook it in the oven so it like sets hard. I mean, it's dough, right? So you technically should be able to cook it. Watch to see if it works. So it's my understanding, well, it's currently Christmas. Nan, a couple of baubles, all that good stuff. So it's quite a simple recipe, Play-Doh apparently. Flour, salt, and water. Mix it all together and then you've got Play-Doh. So what I'm kind of hoping is that like I can kind of color it myself. I didn't even get to do an intro, I've been that stressed. Basically, I'm back at it again and I'm about to make an ashtray, hopefully, for my best mate for her birthday. By this time that the video is out, it would have already been her birthday. I'm trying to make like a flower, which seems kind of hard, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of create a little dish in the middle and then the petals on the outside. I don't know. Everyone knows this channel, we just kind of make it up as we go. We don't really know. But yeah, so that's my plan for today. Whoa, shit. Cup of flour, salt. It's a lot of salt. Diabetes, nah, diabetes is sugar, isn't it? That's, what do you call it? Heart attack. I probably should have stirred them. We're in it to win it now. I probably should have stirred the salt first into the flour. They did say that. But, you know, we're young, we're humans. Oh, 10, that is gross. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. The clay really threw me. That's like Play-Doh vibes, isn't it? I just don't want it to be like too dry, you know? Oh, I'm on the piss. Oh my God, this kitchen. I'm on the piss the other way. I wanna add like pink coloring, but I don't wanna stain my hands, but I think I'll have to risk it to get the biscuit. Don't you reckon? This seems dangerous. What am I doing? I'm gonna make a well. That was way too much, Alex. That was not a good idea. Pink. It's not a pink. It's a red. Sabotage. I'm gonna have color on everything. Oh. No, it doesn't look good. Surely I'd be able to cook this. It's Friday then. These angles are not doing me any justice, are they? I don't know why I'm doing this because you can't see my hands anyway. A little bit in green. I almost spilled that. That looks kind of alright, except when my hands are messed up. Casey, this is how much I love you. I guess it could be yellow in the middle. Would brown look weird? We've gone for purple because I'm too scared to try any other colour because I mean, it looks good, but that could so easily be ripped out from underneath me. Pink, purple, and then green leaves. Too bad. Too bad. It's gonna be that way. It'll end up in tears again. I've done a little bit. I've made a pink Play-Doh. Purple one, which will be our middle. This will be our petals, and then this will be leaves. They're pretty obnoxious colors. My thought process behind this would be like, making a little dish. That'll be the middle, and then the flowers, like that's the middle bit. I'm just gonna give you a rough visual of what I think it's gonna look like. So that's like the pre-idea kind of thing. I might actually even start molding the leaves, you know, like a lot nicer. That looks like something it shouldn't look like. But we're all adults here, aren't we? Rude animal. What is that? Like a cricket, cicada? I'm working on this under the pretext that I'll oven it. Cook it. You know what these also remind me of? I actually reckon I would be a good swine. Put all these together like this. Is that cute? It's on the piers. Everything I do is on the piers. Yeah. Bitch, you know what it actually looks like? Patrick Star. I preheated the oven to... We have the weirdest neighbours, and one of their windows looks down into ours. And she was literally just at the window like, hello. She just walked away. Is this overkill? Yes. Does my best friend need this? No, but it's definitely going to enhance her balcony. Cute. You know what I've thought though? Surely it would just bake. If not, it's going to melt. And I don't know why it would melt, but I have a feeling like it probably would, knowing my luck. That's cute as. That is phenomenal. Do I do this and then cup up the rest of it? Or is that it? Like, do you just... Are we calling it a day? And that's the ashtray. Like, it's ugly as, but it looks cute from the top. Whatever, we're putting it in the oven, and we're gonna see what happens. And if she doesn't like it, she can break